Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here I am your teacher, I am your anchor, I am your host, and today I am with a new topic. Look, how cool I am. Okay, I'm how super cool I am. Every day I am making a video and making a content to my audience, and every day I am picking up a new topic so my audience can grow faster. Look, this is the exactly what I want, that my audience gonna be fluent, then my audience gonna be supernatural. I mean, I just want to all you just become success your life, all you become fulfill your dream, live each and every moment, because you are here, this planet is just a very short time you gonna live. Okay, so yes, all I just want that my audience gonna be live like a just live like that no one have. Okay, this is I otherwise look out there, you seek easily can see there are lots of negativity. You will get tired to, if you just always gonna fight to each other, if you always gonna jealous of each other, if you always gonna be shy to your heart think, look, so it's gonna be very difficult. So always be super cool and be supernatural. Just be what you are. You don't ever try to become anything else. Just be you like yourself. Just be yourself. Why I am like myself so much? Just because I love myself. Okay, I love myself. This is the most precious thing you can do yourself. Just love yourself. Just love it. Forget about the world. Forget about the whole world. Just don't care about the whole world. Just blur your eye. Just blur your eye. Just close your eye and just see yourself. Just see yourself. This is what you are. This is what you want to become, what you actually want, that really value for you, that value for your life. It's all up to you. Okay, blaze the trail. So it's about that, just like I'm what I'm doing in this content, I'm just blaze the trail. I just want that my audience can speak fluently, so I'm just blaze the trail. So I'm making each and every day many more content, so my audience gonna fluent in English. So I am just making blaze the trail. This is exactly what I'm doing. Blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise. So it's about some bad thing you really have to quit. Look, I have tasted anything. I mean, look, I have tasted all the. Look, I don't promote here tobacco, alcohol, and all the consumption, because now you can easily see when you go to the theater, even theater screen tell you that smoking and drinking are injurious to health, so you stop away from that consumption. Okay, so yes, I'm telling you, just stay away from all the bad habits. Just choose life. Look, if you are a genius enough, then you will only do just what the need for. If you are a intelligent person, then you gonna live very healthy life. But if you are a genius person, if you really think you are a genius and you want to become a genius person, you will only do just what needed. Otherwise, this illusionary world gonna trap you. That's why you have to become Mr. Perfectionist. Everyone have a Mr. Perfectionist inside their soul. Okay, so just stay away from bad habits. blow one on trumpet. It's not a very good habit. Look, it's not a good one. Blow one on trumpet. I mean, you always just think one thing. People who love to praise their own self, people who love to blow on trumpet, uh, other worlds always will dislike them just because as a human being, if world are praising you, if world are clapping for you, then then everyone can say that, then everyone can relate that you you earn a very great of honor, okay. But if you are just blow one on trumpet, then it's just foolish. It's just foolish, and it's not a good thing that you are just praising yourself and no one is talking about you. Okay. So look, if people are talking about you, just good criticism, bad criticism. Okay. Good criticism and bad criticism both are good. Okay. Both are good. Good criticism and bad criticism. So always just pick up the blue stocking. Blue stocking. Blue stocking. It's about, yes, everyone should, yes. If someone want to, no, it doesn't matter. I mean, if you're talking about study, then I don't think so. It's a very good idea to blue stocking that you are a man, woman, girls, boys, whoever you are. It's not matter that what your gender are, what your caste are. It's really stupid thing. We are in 2026, so we really step out to this kind of thing. Look, I think I look all the student who really love to study and who really want to become something in their life. I'll give you a very great suggestion. I give you a very good suggestion. Always be like a Sunny Deol. Be like your body like Sunny Deol. And just because of my, yes, even if you are a student, then also because it's not a good thing that you are just a man, you are just a man enough, and you are studying something. You really have to fit, and always, I'm not telling you that you have to make by 6 packs abs, 8 pack abs, 4 abs, look, but you always have to proper body shape. And just because telling you why, because it's it's a good to study, that you also have to always think about that someone gonna attack you. Look, it's a very important, look, this I am telling you. So always just prepare yourself that you can beat 5 or 10. It's really good for you. It's about self defense. It's about self defense training. What is judo, karate, and all these are things are just self defense. So always just prepare yourself like a proper muscular body. Look, if you have a 4 or 5 girls and they are visiting you and they are traveling with you, and someone you stuck in their heels, in someone you stuck in their road, and everywhere you will stuck there, and for, I mean, too much people will gather you, will capture you. Then what you gonna do? If they're gonna take you, then what you gonna do? If, and also you have a 4 or 5 girlfriends, okay, so then you really should behave to proper like a man. So yes, this is, you really important to have a muscular body. This is, you always have to be a muscular body. Otherwise, it can be dangerous, because if you have a muscular body and if you are ability to uh, f- um, fight with anyone, then no one will trouble you. I'm telling you, no one will trouble you. So always just make your body, just always go to gym, just always go to gym, go running, eat veg, non-veg, whatever makes you healthy and fit, just eat it. Okay, it's really good. Bookworm. So yes, look, I'm not a bookworm. Yes, I read too much books in my life. Read too much books in life. You can't even imagine that how books I read I am. But I'm not a bookworm, and I'm telling you just reasoning just because of why, because books will give you knowledge. Yes, books are the ocean of knowledge, but this world is also ocean of knowledge. So books will always give you information. Books will always give you uh, information. But if you really want to fight this in, because this world is fight, if you really want to, if you want to really want to make your own life, and you really want to live life like your own term, you always have to prepare yourself for everything, anywhere, anything. Okay, this is how you can grow. Okay, we will going to discuss this topic more about this later, because I'm with you this whole year. Okay, so just like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.